Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on location words. When describing the location or position of objects, there are many words that can be used. Some of the words are as follows, and I have 15 words here, but there are many others. The following are examples which show how we use some of the above words. Discuss each of these pictures with students and see if they can supply the correct location word from the list to the left. So the important thing here is to talk to students about the pictures, then help them to read the sentence and teach them how to focus on the main objects in the picture, and that way then they can work out the correct location word. So it's the same here. They'll be focusing on the word apple and table. Here they'll focus on marbles and jar, bird and trees, cat and car. So help them read the sentence if they need to. Make sure you engage in some rich discussion. Help them to focus on the important words in the sentence, and they should be able to come up with the location words. Here they'll be focusing on the submarine and the surface of the water. They're talking about the dog walking the man. They'll be focusing on the bird and the window. And they'll be focusing on the dog and the kennel. So location words are very important in everyday life, and we use them all the time. So students have to be very confident in using them, and exercises like this will give them very good practice and try to give them as many opportunities as possible to interact with location words.